The victims Mutesi Elizabeth, Kansime Violet Akik, and her 3-month-old baby Nachitende Abigail, Nabidye Noreen, and Hereza McLean were all residents of Muzomba Zone in Nankurabye, Lubaga Division, Kampala District. Musa Musasiizi, also a resident of the same village, was apprehended by police following their murders. Musasiizi's arrest on March 3, 2021 led to his trial at High Court Criminal Division in Kampala before Judge Margaret Mutonyi. However, in a recent development, Musa Musasiizi changed his plea of not guilty to guilty through a plea bargain, admitting the murders of the 5 victims. In the sentencing, Judge Margaret Mutonyi imposed a 35-year imprisonment for the murder of Kansime Violet Akik and her 3-month-old baby Nachitende Abigail, highlighting Musasiizi's lack of remorse for killing the mother and her innocent daughter.
I have observed that not only young women are at a risk with him out there, but also young children, including his own daughter, making him a very dangerous serial killer. I can describe his conduct as extremely wicked, shockingly evil and vile.
Judge Mutonyi further sentenced Musa Musasiizi to 30 years in prison for the murder of Nabidye Noreen in Nankurabye, emphasizing the message it should convey to potential offenders.
It's the duty of this court to condemn criminal conduct by meting out punishments that are deterrent. And where the offender has become a serial killer, like in the instant case, retribution is very necessary by punishing offenders who unlawfully, with malice aforethought, murder others in cold blood. He has to be held accountable for his heinous crime.
Regarding the murder of Mutesi Elizabeth, his girlfriend, whom he also set ablaze, the court sentenced him to 40 years in prison. Considering the gruesome nature of Musa Musasiizi's crimes, setting victims on fire post-murder, the anguish faced by the families of the deceased, the 3 weeks duration to the offences, and the value of each life lost, the court ordered those sentences to run conservatively for each case.
In the result, I direct that he serves the sentences, and finally in this one, HCT 00CRCS 225 of 2022, cumulatively or consecutively.
Judge Margaret Mutonyi also expressed that while Musa Musasiizi's plea of guilty spared court time and resources, his erroneous actions necessitates his isolation from society for murdering innocent women and a baby.
Unfortunately, the story of Musasiizi is not a fiction, but based on the true story. For the above reasons, he deserves to be out of circulation for some good time as a security measure for the vulnerable young women.
The court record indicates that Musa Musasiizi is already serving a 30-year sentence for murdering his girlfriend Hereza McLean, a sentence handed down earlier this year. Musa Musasiizi is now to serve a sentence of 130 years imprisonment for murdering 4 women and 3-month-old baby. Deborah Namamonde, UBC News.